Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you, my audience. Please subscribe my channel and your valuable comment and share. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. My channel, the presentation and total guidelines, search engine optimization class, and tutorial, and my videos and my lectures. My presentation, the short times in 10 minutes at the important part and important points present my videos, and that the search engine optimization, the best traffic, 25 OI, 25 OI, the search engine success with Google. Search engine is and change the best. They are on great or from one your thing no extend the Google look and algorithm update with and your plan. However, there the some provide search engine strategy that will be in practice by improving this your traffic on your site. You have improved the search engine optimization success will also the providing and your website against the Google inviting change. There are way to after change with the search engine optimization SEO on page SEO or page SEO and technical SEO in the post, including example that the search engine optimization, the technical and however import them. Friends, including this one step by step. Number one, the on-page SEO tips on for the search engine optimization. You have new to search engine optimization or looking to make quick impactful change forecasting you effect and on-page SEO. On-page SEO search engine optimization strategy is this grand please and start. When are some import the search engine optimization techniques to closing when keyword optimize and in the search SEO. The target long tail keyword. The long tail keyword are long and the more specific than the usual targeted keyword. As a result, they using when how search volume as so keyword but are the values their keywords. So when use make practical search and just and they were looking from example on the long tail keyword how to rank on Google. This is the option is side tail keyword search in Google rank. One resource that targeted long tail keyword is the trend of you have high search internet. The base and oil more traffic so you can track keyword and easy to say than is on your site. The internet based brand visual the defense for the posting you can how to rank on Google looking for the desired answer. However, to search engine the Google ranking at real no to use insight maybe just type and understand within the mains how can effective long is your long tail keyword and content. You hand those and don't addition difference in extent in oil traffic. Here are some for addition keyword on action. Dynamic this block traffic and plug in some grain and persist keyword is tool identify long and tail keyword into such traffic and CPC near down the keyword then is the high search internet if you carry competent topics and option carry this is the long tail keyword. Number two, use keyword alt text image. Number two, use keyword alt text image. The accessibility all the recs and the speed and valuable impression the 55% contracts and search engine optimization. Number three, keywords and handlers. Number four, forecast and great UX. Number five, including multiple media type. Number six, use the internet link. Number seven, Number 7, focus on top on final keyword process. Number 8, number 8, thinking local and focus local SEO. Number 9, however, master lots of traffic, relevant long tail keyword. Number 11, audio extend page and refresher. Number 12, deliver base in class and contain everything. Number 13, now of technical SEO, page SEO tips and search engine optimization. Number 13, adapt on to the change. Number 14, work make sure your process. 19, and keywords are best bad SEO practice and audios keyword contribution and diplomatic content and extend mature and anchor tracks and simple link building search engine free on Google consideration. A lot of this is the lot of type 25 or the success in type and step by step long, but I'm short time the important process and important point presentation my videos. Build your content calendar and stakes and content SEO tips and as for SEO. Content marketing is over trading, search engine strategy, bed and things and visual and search engine study. However, master and traffic and relevant long tail keyword. While and on this on the yourself stick and brand and seen and within the address next and audience target. Their suggest start with keyword search, then use tools like an example for your search traffic culture in social listing tools awareness and use to Google trends seen the traffics for activities and Google trend. Look at your published content which is earning visit in drive result published in same awards and question address and including traffics and Google G my local my business and complete search engine analytic keyword account graphics. Keep our the content marketing trend and number to build any your content calendar and statistics. Do you suggest publish blog on post and social media updated at the last minute? The free and build content calendar can you help and strategy organic and that more and on top your top search engine strategy. A content calendar is a schedule that outline the traffic's type of content and publish details all those process to help you providing drifts your graphs and whole increase relevant content. The dynamic your goal. Identify you who, when, and achieve before creating and content calendar to start being and calendar considers who traffics relevant and engage your audience search and clothing and news the good and products reviews and branding in this search game pills and for your business make step to keep sincere traffics and will the relevance of your business. Next, decline and frequency and post a new content and deters and this always. Cannot the keyword research, keyword research and keyword research each in content and good Google keyword planner as Google keyword planner which in keyword most relevant and Google keyword planner and targeted keyword and the established themes. Optimize your traffics your offering then search engine strategy and audience and phrases. One of the most effective search engine strategy then extend page repage and raising. One of the statistical the benefit and refreshing your website cannot improve search engine rank audience updating your current Google feature awareness run and to your website using online tools and There's use and the best performance review matter, traffic engage bonus and this tracking. Look your complete and ranks. Now look and its content the delivers based in content even them. It is too easy content great and based and online in process which is the more on the blogs and additional content topics however different in creating imaging. However, some identify your targeted audience and targeted customer below this in the practical delivered and question and information audience and discard and your keywords and development complete analysis and etc. Technical and off-page SEO tips and the search engine optimization. Um, are you looking for web best on website search engine ranking? Why you need to focus on off-page SEO? The search engine optimization strategy. Then the adapting and to change and optimization search strategy. Strategic change your reference, use keyword tools and platform complete keep up to and build your brand. And the very important part and important science they later on Google $2,000 and Google increase your partner imports on the brands practice look and the brand sign when out of manufacturing and the providing more relevance result and search engine optimization. This make brand and creating ranking factor. Search engine optimization they explain I'll seen the hang increase in your traffic to the grow the your brand when the brand considers repeat and also the platform increase in relevance. When in establish and your grow and your brand great more traffic and known the brand and brand strength. This while the million of organic views and earners. How some the build and your brand focus and without social platform and targeting audience and think about influencing and there are as this brand great thoughts the learning ship and studies customer. The perfect is the discrimination. Look for trend when you then creating next in trend. Delivers your backlink profile. Who does is the backlink profile. Thank you. Best of luck.